Good morning. This is Bob from Chris and Bob's Adventure Channel. We don't have Chris today, so this is a Bob solo, but I have a guest back here. Rory's with us today. And the plan is really simple. We're going to try and do bag 3 peaks today. Rowton, Crow's Nest, and Disney. It should be an epic day. I think that's Crow's Nest up there, and we're coming up to the final approach here, final ascent. And I'm breathing a bit. It's at a pretty quick pace. But the last part here is definitely steep, rocky, and loose. So, very interesting. Alright, so this is the last part to get to the top here on Crow's Nest, and it looks like a trail. I looked around the other side and it was pretty steep, but this is what I found right here. This is it. So I'm going to try and do this with the camera in one hand and not shake too badly. Let's head on up and see what we get here. Oh yeah, a little steep. Yep. Pretty awesome. Let's see. Yep, one hand. Oh yeah, now it's getting steep. I've only got one hand here. Oops, sorry. Probably not the best camera angle. No slipping here. It would be really bad. Well, here I am, top Crow's Nest, the absolute highest point here. That rock might be a smidge higher, but I climbed over it to get here. Pretty spectacular hike. The views are absolutely stunning. All right, here we are on the top of Mount Disney, which is in Sugar Bowl Ski Resort in the Boundaries. And this is probably the ski patrol shack. And this is Mount Disney. Pretty spectacular day. No, we didn't take the lift up here. The lifts aren't running. We walked up here today. So, I don't know. The view is absolutely fantastic.